If number of members in set P is equal to 54, number of members in set Q is equal to 27, and number of members in set P union Q is equal to 69, find the number of members in P intersection Q complement. This is a question involving two sets, and so I'll represent this information on a Venn diagram. The question says that the number of members in set P union Q is equal to 69. It means that when we add everything in the Venn diagram together, we should get 69. We have two sets here, set P and set Q. I'll use this circle to represent set P. The question says the number of members in set P is 54. And I'll use this circle to represent set Q. The question says the number of members in set Q is 27. Let's assume that the number of members in set P intersection Q is X. So it means that the members in this region is X. If the members in this region is X, then the members in set P only will be 54 minus X, and the members in set Q only will be 27 minus X. The question says we should look for the number of members in set P intersection Q complement. The number of members in set P intersection Q complement will be the number of members in set P only. That is the number of members in this region colored blue. The number of members in set P only. That will give us the number of members in set P intersection Q complement. As we can see from the Venn diagram, the number of members there is 54 minus X. So to get the value, we first have to find X. We can find X by adding everything in the Venn diagram together and equating it to 69. So let's do that. 54 minus X plus 27 minus X is equal to 69. This will give us 81 minus X is equal to 69. And so X will be equal to 81 minus 69. 81 minus 69 will give us 12. So the value of X is 12. Remember, we are looking for the number of members in P intersection Q complement. That is the number of members in set P only, which is represented by the shaded region. And the number of members there is 54 minus X. We have found out that X is 12. So the number of members in set P intersection Q complement, which is 54 minus X, will be equal to 54 minus 12. 54 minus 12 is 42. So it means that the number of members in set P intersection Q complement is 42.